"Yaar, welcome back. It's Jyoti. Kya chal raha hai?" I was gonna end this session, and then I said, "You know what? Let's just cover Coke Studio ka next release," which I got a lot of DMs for, and it's got Rekha ji. Hi, Rekha ji. Um, I just recently chatted with her because it's been so long since I first met her in Radio City. तो उनका गाना अभी recently जो मैंने cover किया था, and I texted her, and she's so sweet. She remembers me, and she's very happy. She's like, "Where are you nowadays?" I said, I'm in India, not in Mumbai though. But वो जो राजा हिंदुस्तानी का गाना था, that one is what I'm talking about. But she's very sweet. She still remembers me, and I hope I can meet her when she knows Shruti also. By the way, they yeah, it's been so long. It's been so long. I think it was 2008. No, 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 no. Sorry, it was 2006, possibly seven, but I think it was six. It's like 20 years ago, man. 20 years ago, when Rekha ji came into our studios in Bombay, Radio City, Bombay. Uh, and I interviewed her there. But oh, speak of the devil, Miss Bhola का message आया है. Um, but yes, sorry, her phone was on silent. So ठीक है, let's get to Kachori Gali. Kachori Gali. We had a Kachori wali gali in if this is Kachori, you like the eat khane wali Kachori, then I'm right. Otherwise, yeah, it is, no? So कचौड़ी वाली एक गली थी मुरादाबाद में भी where my mom's family is from. So हम summer vacations में वहाँ जाते थे नाना नानी से मिलने. And we used to go for this one aloo ki kachori in that gully. I can still like hear the frying. I can still taste the crispiness. Anyway, ठीक है. Let me see what the song says. History is written in books, but is felt inside homes. That is the foundation Kachori Gali is built on. As we walk through the narrow bylanes of Banaras, through the evocative voices of political theory, through the evocative voices of Rekha Bhardwaj, Utpal Udit, and the vision of Habbe. We witness a vibes, a devotion as she navigates a world suddenly emptied of its heartbeat. Her story is not one of political theory, but of personal resilience, a future interrupted, yet a love that remains unyielding. That is nice. Singers Rekha ji and Uppal Udit, composer folk. Okay. Lyrics folk. Music arrangement Hab. Pratham, Mix and Master Rupjit Das, Tabla and Dholak Mahavir, Bhatam and Kanjira Varun, Harmonium Akshay, Shehnai Omkar, Mandolin Dotara and Bouzouki Vaipan Ghosh. Bouzouki, I've not heard this instrument name ever, and Dotara actually. This is very interesting. Guitars Kha, backing vocals Samad Tanmay Abba, Yashavini, Gauri, and Arohi. Um, yeah. Who Videocast Dotara, Sakshi Chandra Roy, and Shehnai Pandit S. Palesh Bhajanti. I am really liking the mix of instruments of this track. Oh, I've even heard it. ठीक है. Anything else? We need to read a song. Nothing else. Let's get right into it. I'm super curious now. 1, 2, 3, take.
Coke Studio Bharat, Season 4. Subscribe now.
Subscribe now. Birds.
सेजिया पे लोटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बल मुँह सेजिया पे लोटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बल मुँह 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 मिर्जापुर कैला गुलजार हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बल मुँह से जिया पे लौटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बल मुँह
एही मिर्जापुर से उड़ ले जहाजिया हाँ मिर्जापुर से उड़ ले जहाजिया रे उड़ ले जहाजिया रामा उड़ ले जहाजिया
पिया चल गईले रंगून हो
पिया चल गईले रंगून हो कचौड़ी गली सोन कैला बलमो से जिया पे लौटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सोन कैला बलमो हथवा में होती जो हमरे कटरिया हथवा में होती जो हमरे कटरिया रे हमरे कटरिया है रामा हमरे कटरिया बहा दी तो गोरवन के खून हो बहा दी तो गोरवन के खून हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो से जिया पे लौटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो मिर्जापुर कैला गुलजार हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो
Yo fui a ver otra que la fue. Waiting to see in Coke Studio Bharat. So आ रहे हैं. I'm genuinely that. Oh man, we gotta watch this again. I didn't want to come out of the zone. This, this, this like visceral instant reaction is, what happens when a song is this authentic, this real, this beautiful, this cute, this like, oof, man, oof, so rooted, so freaking just perfection. Ugh. Because seriously रोना आ रहा है. But we're gonna watch it again before I cry. I felt like dancing, man. I'm gonna do it. Okay, watch this replay.
Coke Studio Bharat,
Good.
Season 4.
Oh, both their
Subscribe
voices,
now.
the music, everything. You all have aced it. Aced. Favorite song in all the seasons so far.
सेजिया पे लौटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो सेजिया पे लौटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो 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 मिर्जापुर कैला गुलजार हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो से जिया पे लौटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो
यही मिर्जापुर से उड़ ले जहाजिया हाँ यही मिर्जापुर से उड़ ले जहाजिया रे उड़ ले जहाजिया रामा उड़ ले जहाजिया
पिया चल गईले रंगून हो
पिया चल गईले रंगून हो कचौड़ी गली सोन कैला बलमो से जिया पे लौटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सोन कैला बलमो बहा दे त गौरवन के खून हो बहा दे त गौरवन के खून हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो से जिया पे लोटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो मिर्जापुर कैला गुलजार हो कचौड़ी गली सुन कैला बलमो
God, so funny. Just cannot. So good. So good. So good. 25th May 2026, the day I'm recording. Just thank you, man. Thank you, folks. Surya Bharat. Finally, finally, finally. Finally, this is my all-time favorite from every Coke Surya Bharat episode. I'm not like, yeah, more than any other song I've liked on the show. Composer folk lyrics folk. It's a folk song का recreation और क्या ही arrangement किया है ख्वाब ने. Khab, you are a genius. The way the instruments have been used, the way वो बीच वाले interlude section में कैसे एक एक आई और कैसे वो फिर one of the background vocalists took that alap there and made it a moment. It was just like building, 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 building. So good. So good. Who was that singer? I would love to know. But Rekha ji and Utpal ji. Just, just thank you. Thank you. I cannot I cannot get over this song. So good. First of all, I want to say that the set was just perfect. Kuch zyada nahi, nothing over the top, but just perfect. All the elements that brought us into that gully wala mahal and that whole like the folkness of it, whether it was his cap, which by the way, I freaking loved his cap, his jacket, everything. And Rekha ji की तो styling का मतलब जितनी आप तारीफ करो उतनी कम होगी because man, she is looking so freaking beautiful, so freaking graceful, elegant, classy, just freaking gorgeous. Look at her sindoor, her bindi, her jewelry, the way she's like dancing, the adas, the outfit, just, whether she's sitting or even when she stands and when she's doing the twirling, like she was twirling. Guys, she was twirling. My heart was so happy just seeing her twirling and just they go like I wish I was there. But I was like, I want to twirl together. Anyway, just every second of this was so beautiful, man. Just loved it. And it's nice the contrast, she's got white and red, he's got red and black or pink and black. Even the girl playing the, what is that instrument? They've written over here, Dotara, Sakshi Chandra Roy, na? Dotara Percy, what is that instrument? I love it. I'm gonna look it up and research it more. Sounded so good. And the Shehnai, man. Jesse Shehnai, I in the first part, the emotionality of the song went somewhere else. Oh, as if the soundscape was already not freaking beautiful. The Shehnai came in and it just hit the heart, man. Hit the right spot. And I love what she's wearing, by the way. The whole green and gold combination and the embroidery and the florals, just beautiful, beautiful. Everything on the set was freaking beautiful. Everything and everyone. Oh, that Shehnai. Pandit S. Balesh Bhajantri. Thank you, sir, for playing it so beautifully. It just hit the heart. It just hit the heart and how. And unka jo lehenga, when she's sitting, the way she's looking, the adas. I didn't know Rekha ji could act so well also. Or, do such beautiful abhinay. Ah, ये गाने के lyrics मुझे by heart करने का मन हो रहा है, so I can sing along to every single line. And Utpal, the way he's looking at her, just like, oh man, it was so cute. It's exactly how two singers should interact with each other. I could listen to this on loop all week, honestly. And even the backup vocalists, all of them, so good. So good. And you know what I really loved is, they've got the stairs there. They've got that one very traditional looking desk, yellow color wala. I loved it. I was like, oh, where can I get that? Such a beautiful desk. They've got, the bougainvilleas, the sort of carpet wall. They've got all this stuff going on the set. The, वो वाला window इसमें से वो the light comes through to the net almost thing. And even the what do you call that? The divans that they're sitting on or the benches, the sofa sets. everything. Just minimalistic but beautiful. और वो जैसे आंगन होता है ना वैसा बनाया हुआ है बाहर का, like with the pond in front, like they're sitting in a little garden of art. Oh, I just loved it. Like, I don't care for sets that move and this and that. Like, I don't care for those big, like, kind of videos. As long as the music is great, as long as the music pulls me in and captures me, I don't care what the music video really looks like, or, whether it's a moving set, not a moving set, if artists are stationary, moving, like all those things are great to have, um, if it can be managed. But if it can't be managed, it's all good as long as the song is hitting where it needs to hit. So, oh, I just loved it. I loved it. I freaking loved it. इतना मजेदार गाना मैंने I don't think किसी भी सीजन में सुना है कोक सूर्य भारत की. This was just beautiful. And कितनी मैं तारीफ करूँ रेखा जी की कम होगी. I've known her for so long, and right from like when she started, she, like, till today, she's never lost that, that purity and innocence in her art and in her music. And it comes from like loving it so deeply. Like every day riyaz has to happen. Everything that you do in your life is centered around your core love, which is, the art form that you're known for. Everything in your life kind of comes from that, and everything sort of, um, mm, what's the word? Everything that you read or that you consume or where you travel or who you speak to, the conversations you're in, the rooms you involve yourself in, all of that is in service of your art, which is the core of your existence. So, just seeing her and the way she lives her life and who she is, I just feel that it all so beautifully ages her art like fine wine, you know. She just gets better with time as a performer, as a singer, and I just, yeah, it's too cute. And Utpal Udit, quite a find for me. And Khaapka, I've heard stuff before, but Utpal Udit, man, beautiful voice. क्या honesty है उनकी आवाज में और क्या innocence और purity है. I just love the way he started the song. Immediately gets you smiling and you're in. You're just in. And Khaab, man, I have to say, I have to put it out there that I think he's one of the most brilliant, uh, you know, producers, and like his arrangements are freaking beautiful, layered and yet so simple. You know what I mean? Like they're just the simplicity is the USP, the simplicity despite the multi-layering, and it's not easy to achieve that, to make it sound so easy to just feel, despite all the embellishments and all the layers and all the instruments. But yeah, man, I'm so happy for this song and this season. It's going well. I mean, you all saw in the last reaction, Buliave was not my favorite. I loved Air Ajnabi, and this show has surpassed all my expectations. Oh, I am loving it more than any other song of any other season. The one who messaged me asking me to react to this, you know who you are. You were like, I think it's gonna hit you in a way that yeah. So you, thank you. Thank you. You relentlessly kept messaging me saying, get to it, get to it, get to it fast. I finally got to it, and I have just as wide a smile as I could have, on my face and in my heart. So thank you. And thank you, Rekha ji. Thank you, Utpal. Thank you, Khab. Beautiful creation. Thank you, Coke Studio Bharat. This is what we were waiting for. This is what I was waiting. Uh, इस सॉन्ग के लिरिक्स में ऑफलाइन bisect and dissect. I'd have spilled the rage of the foreign tide, but Kachori gully lies empty inside. ये ट्रांसलेशन बहुत ही वो है. On the bed, a black serpent creeps slow. Kachori gully lies empty, desert and hollow. Or they try to rhyme with the subtitles. Mirzapur once bloomed, turned bright and alive, but without you, my love, it just cannot survive. I think someone was trying to rhyme in these subtitles. Correct me if I'm wrong. बहुत ही क्यूट यार. मिर्ज़ापुर का भी नाम मेंशन हो गया और उनका अम, वो जो वर्ड है उनका ये सेक्शन
यही मिर्जापुर से उड़ ले जहाजिया हाँ
is
हाँ
180.
यही मिर्जापुर से उड़ ले जहाजिया
ढल गईले रंगून हो
पिया चल गईले रंगून हो कचौड़ी गली सोन कैला बलमो से जिया पे लोटे काला नाग हो कचौड़ी गली सोन कैला बलमो
There were some sections where she was not singing the word when it should ideally have been sung. She would give that slight pause, and you're like, oh man, that's where you have signature, from the singer. Um, I'm not sure if that's how she was asked to deliver it, but the way she delivered it with like half a beat ka pause na, दो बार उन्होंने किया दो line में, एक के बाद एक. I loved that. I loved it. It just, yeah, it's challenging for the listener, but also more fun. एंड ये घटम, गंजीरा, तबला, ढोलक उन सब के जो इफ़ेक्ट्स आ रहे थे हारमोनियम, शहनाई तो बुज़ूकी आई वांट टू सी व्हाट इज़ बुज़ूकी, दोतारा, मैंडोलिन, everything contributed so beautifully, man, so beautifully. Actually, let me look up this buzuki over here. Um, okay, let's see what it looks like. A long neck string instrument, traditional Greek music. Very nice. Yeah, and Dotara is from where? Traditional pluck string instrument, folk music of Bengal and Assam. Got it. Oh, damn, son. Beautiful sound. Just beautiful. Just freaking beautiful. तबला ढोलक और वो कौन से खत्म. That was beautiful. He was enjoying himself while playing it in the video. Tanjira, yeah. It's like a tambourine, no? Oh, the textures we have. This is why I keep saying ad nauseum. The folk, man. The folk is where the magic is at. It's in the folk. It's in the everyday stories, in the songs of the every like all the common folk, all the people. That's where it comes from. Yes, that's probably where it comes from. But I'm just saying this again and again and again, and I'll keep saying it. We have so much beauty in the folk genre, in the folk space. Be it instruments, be it vocals, be it stories in the songs, be it just the uh, the culture of a people and of a country and of a region and of a subcontinent. It's all there in the folk. We just have to highlight it. And, instead of those stories just being limited to the bylanes of and the gullies, they need to be shown to the world. Anyway, I'm gonna end this here. I loved it. And I am so inspired by it. Like I'm so happy and excited by it. I might just choreograph a little dance to this song. Just because like my choreographer bone has been tickled by it. Because I love songs where you can play here. Chalo, on that note, take care of yourselves. Let me know what you thought of this one. Get discussing songs like this. Guys, it's important. It's important for where the music of our country is going. This is beautiful. Share it with people and use it in reels if you must. And just, yeah, talk about it. Talk about it. Talk about it in the comments below. I read everything. I will reply. And do hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel. It helps all this work I do and it really encourages me. So please do that. And yeah, take care of yourselves. I'll see you the next one. Get down and pass.